ASM-R. If you're wondering why I'm talking so quietly, it's because ASM-R focuses on the finer details of sound, just like you always focus on the finer details of your cloud security. I'm sure just the mention of that phrase sent a satisfying tingle down the back of your neck and spine. Cloud security. Every time I hear it, I feel safe, like a sensitive account with two-factor authentication. Let's get ourselves ready for some ASMR with some gentle reading of evocative words. AWS-EC2 Virtual Machine, Azure SQL DB, Kubernetes, Cosmo DB, Blob Storage, Lambda SQS, Elastic Beanstalk. Good. Now that your eardrums are ready, let's start with our meditation. Get comfortable, close your eyes, and let's begin our cybersecurity ASMR journey. First, we log in. I always appreciated how the sounds are different between the space bar and tab key.
Exquisite. Now that I'm logged in, it's time to check our security posture. Look, a software that requires an update. Let's start the process.
Okay, while it does that, I'm going to get coffee from the break room. That way, with a cup of joe in our hand, we look busy whenever we walk around the office. If you listen closely, you can hear your colleagues checking their social media pages on company time. I love the smell of office printer fumes in the morning. Ah, yes. Lukewarm filter coffee. Just one of the many perks of working in tech. Now that we've had our third coffee of the morning, it's time to check back on the updates. I love the sound of paper jams in the morning. Now that we're in, let's check our cloud resources. Excellent. No surprises. Even better, everything is organized and there are no unknown resources. The cloud is glowing with a healthy, vibrant aura. With a cloud this impenetrable, we've earned ourselves a nice, long sip. This will keep us awake during the afternoon meetings. Next, let's make sure there are no exploited vulnerabilities in the wild that could affect us. Good. Everything is perfect. And it's all thanks to a